Backed up, of course, by ABC TV network owner Tony Boyko Huangco, banker Eric Tagle, and Tagbilaran City Mayor Dan Neri Lim.
Ayan po, at sana po naibigan niyo ang aming pagkahandog ng laban na ito.
Oo. At saka sa our unofficial scorecards, we have Bautista leading in terms of rounds, 4 rounds to 2.
So ayan, at yan, mayroon ng distansya, no? Pero hintayin natin pag magtagpo yan. Again, palitan ng kanan doon.
Ito again, sinusukat ni Boom Boom yung distansya niya, no?
At Mesa proving na talagang
durable warrior.
Makapagsabayan nila mo. Uppercut, pumuling on.
Nice shot coming from Meza. Pero parang kaya ni Boom Boom yung suntok. There's a slick portion in the center of the ring.
Again, pagod na rin dito si Meza. Umatake kagad si Boom Boom nung binaba ni Meza yung mga kamay niya.
Oo, tama. You have to protect yourself at all times.
There's a right, straight.
Malakas yun, ha? Ang lutong.
Pero ngayon, ito naman si Boom Boom ang kumahawak sa kanyang noo. Kanina po, nag-open na ng cut dito sa may kanang kilay. Si Meza.
Let him go break.
But so far, ito
Parehong agresibo, ha? Another fighter backing down.
at yung cut hindi nagiging factor, ano? So far,
parang hindi. Oo.
Dito sa laban na ito.
You know, when you're fighting against a southpaw as Bautista is, he's got to throw a lot of that left and then step in to throw that right hook. But hindi niya nagagawa yun eh. And I think the reason is because when he tries to step in with that right hook, naaabangan siya nung kaliwa ni Meza. And you know, that's the power punch of Meza. He is a left-handed fighter. A nice shot there, long one coming from Bautista.
Iiling-iling doon si Boom Boom. Of course, itong si...
Nadidiin yung mga suntok ni Boom Boom, ha?
Ito. Walog yung ulo nito si Mario Meza.
Kabit-kabit yung mga suntok ni Boom Boom. And that's what he needs, those power combinations. Para hindi maka-unleash si Meza. Nice round here for Boom Boom once more.
Wala dito naririnig natin aktibo-aktibo rin itong corner nito si Meza. Shouting instructions at dito matatapos po. Round number 7.